Consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video if you found it useful. Hi, this is Spencer with West Coast Pedalboard. Today we're going to talk about case hardware, handles, feet, latches, casters, brackets, lift-off hinges, and we're going to show you a little bit about each thing and then how to install it the right way. Come on. Our feet are non-slip rubber feet. They come with hardware and come in two sizes. The first one is 1.5 inch diameter by 3/8 inch tall, and the second is 1 inch diameter, 3/8 inch tall. And the cool thing about these is they're non-slip, and they also have a retaining washer inside, which is helpful when you're fastening down the hardware to either your pedal board or your pedal board case. We're going to show you how to do it now. Today we're going to be installing these feet on this hardwood pedal board, and when you buy the feet, they come with the appropriate hardware. These are 5/8 inch truss screws, hardened steel, so they shouldn't snap off. What we're going to do is we're going to line these up and then do a pre-drill, and that way we're going to avoid any possible splitting, and we don't want to have any damage happen right at the end of a project like this. I'm not pre-drilling, so we're just going to easily tap this. Okay, we have our holes pre-drilled. We're going to install these feet and move along with the project. And we're just going to watch out for over tightening when you're using a drill, power drill. Don't want to overdo that. All right, and this is it. When working on a pedal board case, you may want to use two different size feet. So in our case, all of our flat boards and cases, we put the smaller feet on the briefcase side. So if you stand the thing upright, and then the larger feet will go on the bottom. So if you're going to be playing in the case, or if it's a flat board and you open up the top and remove the top and play like that, then there's more gripping surface with the big ones on the bottom. We're going to show you how to put them on. All right, we're going to install these feet. We're going to go do the briefcase side first, so I'm going to be using 1 inch feet with 5/8 inch hardware. And I'm not having a pre-drill because we use voidless plywood, a real stout plywood. No need to pre-drill unless you want to. All right, and we're going to move, as soon as we're done with these, we're going to move to the bottom and install the 1.5 inch feet on the bottom part of the case. We're just going to go ahead and flip this guy over. And we're going to use 1.5 inch diameter feet on the bottom. And these are good because they're a little bit more surface area. So if you choose to play your pedal board in the bottom of the case, this helps prevent it from slipping around if you're on a surface that could be slippery. All right. And this is pretty much all there is to it. Pedal board feet, case feet. Thanks for watching.